Okay, quick help on part number 11. Yeah, we're good here. On part number 11 on lesson number 13. If you shrink this down a little bit. If you run the program, there's a balloon that falls down the screen, and that's all it does right now. We're going to make this a conditional statement. What we want to do is make it so that if you're pressing the mouse button, the left mouse button, it will float back up, but if you let go of the mouse button, it continues to fall. All right, so let's reset that program and look at how you do it. Right here, if you'll look in the workspace, you'll see the code that's making the balloon fall. It says balloon.y equal balloon.y plus 1. That's what makes it fall down the screen. So we're going to go to control and we're going to bring over an if else and we'll drop it right in there. And the thing that we're going to be checking here, comes from the world drawer, and I'm going to scroll that down a little bit. We're going to check the mouse down button here, mouse down, and I'll drop that in. And we're just going to stick with left button here. All right, so here's the thing. We want, if the button is being pressed, we want the balloon to float up. If the button is not being pressed, we want the balloon to float down. All right, well, this code right here is what makes the balloon float down. So I'm going to drop it in the else section right there. All right, that's, if the button's being pressed, I want it to go up, but else, I want it to go down. So now I'm going to take that code right there. I'm going to copy it, Control C, and you got to get your cursor in the right spot. I want to get that little black cursor right there, blinking in the right spot, and I'll paste it right in there. And we know that if you want something to go up on the y-axis, you got to do a negative number. So I'm going to say -1 right there. And really, you don't have to overcomplicate this part. This should do it. If the mouse button is pressed down, the balloon rises up. If you let go of the mouse button, it goes down. Let's find out if it worked. I run it. Now, you won't be able to see me click the mouse button, but you'll notice that once in a while, if you're looking over on the left-hand side, the balloon goes up. I'm holding the mouse button down right now. Well, as soon as I let go of the mouse button, it falls down. Press the mouse button, it goes up. Let go of the mouse button, it falls down. That's all it is, and right there you see the code that makes it work. And that is part 11.